Guys, so this is gonna be like a really short, quick video. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my eyeliner because I've been pretty obsessed with how I'm doing it. I'm like in the process of doing my makeup right now, so I just put on my lipstick and I actually only use the Kylie Jenner lip liner in 22, and I'm actually really loving it. I don't wear red lipstick that much, but matches my shirt, so. But I'm gonna show you how I do my eyeliner because I've just been really loving how it looks lately. So what I'm gonna use is just this brush, this little angled brush or whatever from e.l.f. It's just the angled eyeliner brush. So I'm gonna use that, and then I'm also using the Ofra Fix Line eyeliner gel in black. I got this when I went to school last year to be an esthetician. Came in like my little makeup thing. And then I'm also going to be using these little e.l.f. I don't know what you would call it. They're just like little strips, like a tape strip, I guess. I mean, you can use regular tape, but I think these are actually way better. So what I do, I like to look completely forward and just like kind of angle my eyeliner how I want to be from my lower lash line. So I kind of want it to go straight out like that. So I'm going to draw like it pretty much just straight out like that. Out. You don't really have to do that because that kind of hurts. And I have makeup on already. I mean, usually I would do this first, but I just wanted to put some makeup on. So then I just go in a little bit with this. And it's not like a super like jelly gel, you know, it's like it's like kind of dense, so it's nice and it's movable. So I do that. I'll get a little closer up to my lashes. Okay, so what I do is I just pretty much go to where I want it to end. And like that. So I do that, and then I just fill it in. Let's see if it even looks good though. I try to make it as straight as possible. Okay, so this is gonna be a little thick. Not really my plan, but we can fix it. Yeah, see that, how it like humps up and stuff? Some people like that look. I'm not really into it, just because I have big eyes already. So when I take this away, it creates pretty much a wing. But if I mess up, I go ahead and use these dual tip cotton applicators. It's got like a sharp side and then like a flat side. So I literally just lick it, and then I go along the top just to even everything out. And it's gonna get messy, but I don't really care. I mean, sometimes I'll go in with like a makeup wipe. Yeah, this is gonna get very messy, so I kind of recommend doing your makeup before. But look, we can just clean it up like that. And then somehow just figure out how to wing it. Just like that. And it looks kind of crazy because I don't even have like my lashes on yet, or I didn't even curl them yet. But that's just what I'm gonna do to the other side here, and I'll kind of just fast forward it so you guys can see, because I feel like this side is gonna come out so much better. So see, that one's kind of cute. This one, not that cute because it's all like blocky right here. All right, so that's pretty much my eyeliner. I mean, I'll probably fix this up a little bit more because it's looking a little rough. And that's it. When I first did this, I have a look on my Instagram. I have like a bunch of stars and stuff on my forehead. It looks really cool, and I really liked my eyeliner in that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my face, put a little more blush on, look cute, you know, the whole shebang. I don't have my eyelash curler, unfortunately. Probably one of my sisters took it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced. I really don't know where my lash curler is. At this point, I would take my hair down, kind of do it up. Pretty much just keep it down. I always keep it down or in a low bun. But that is pretty much it for my eyeliner. I'll fix that, and then there's that side. So I say if you just pretty much have like these little elf strips, they're literally like $2 for a pack of 40, I believe. They're really cool, really easy to use. You just put them there and then you align it, and you pretty much have yourself a wing. So if you're pretty new to doing wings, I just really suggest doing that because it's really makes it so much easier. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this really helped you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the little bell so you get notified when I post. And I know it's not very often, but I'm trying to hop on my stuff. You guys will be seeing a pretty much a vlog style of my 21st birthday next week. So be prepared because I'm so excited. I may do something fun. I don't know, but you guys will have to stay tuned. So I'll see you. Bye.